If you plan to study in Botswana, you need a Botswana Study eVisa. This online visa allows international students to enter Botswana for education without visiting an embassy. The application process is fully digital. You apply online, upload your documents, and receive updates by email. Botswana is a popular study destination because it offers quality education, affordable living, and a safe learning environment. English is widely used in educational institutions. To apply, you need a valid passport, recent photos, an official acceptance letter, and a covering letter explaining your study purpose. You must also provide proof of accommodation, travel details, a study or research permit, and proof of financial support. The process is simple. Fill out the online form, upload your documents, pay the visa fee, and submit your application. Processing time depends on your selected option. The study eVisa may be issued as single or multiple entry, with stays ranging from 90 days up to 2 years. If you need more time, you can apply for a renewal before your visa expires. The Botswana Study eVisa offers a clear and organized way to begin your education journey.